Meet Utie, the magical unicorn who loves to learn and teach.
Hello, friends! Are you ready for an alphabetical adventure? Let's explore the animal kingdom together.
A is for aardvark, an animal with a long snout for eating ants. B is for bear, a big furry animal that loves honey.
Bears are so cuddly looking, and they're so generous with their honey.
C is for cheetah, the fastest land animal in the world. They can run up to 70 miles per hour. D is for dolphin, a playful and intelligent sea mammal. They love to perform acrobatics in the water. E is for elephant, with its long trunk and big ears.
Elephants are so majestic, and they're so gentle and kind too.
F is for fox, a clever animal with a bushy tail. G is for giraffe, with its long neck and spotted coat. Their unique pattern helps them blend in with the trees. H is for hippo, a large animal that loves to swim. Despite their size, they're excellent swimmers. I is for iguana, a scaly reptile that can change colors.
It's like a living rainbow. How magical!
J is for jaguar, a powerful big cat with spotted fur. K is for kangaroo, an animal that hops and has a pouch. Their powerful legs allow them to jump great distances. L is for lion, the king of the jungle with a majestic mane. M is for monkey, playful animals that swing through trees.
They're so acrobatic, and they love to play just like me.
N is for narwhal, a whale with a long tusk like a unicorn. Some people call them the unicorns of the sea. O is for octopus, a sea creature with 8 arms. They're incredibly smart and can solve puzzles. P is for penguin, a flightless bird that loves to swim. They might not fly, but they're excellent swimmers and divers. Q is for quokka, a small animal known for its happy face.
They're always smiling. It's impossible not to feel happy around them.
R is for rhinoceros, a large animal with a horn on its nose. Despite their tough appearance, they can be quite gentle. S is for sloth, a slow-moving animal that hangs in trees. They're so slow that plants can grow on their fur. T is for tiger, a big cat with beautiful stripes. Their stripes help them blend in with the shadows in the forest. U is for umbrella bird, a bird with a unique umbrella-like crest. It's not just for show, it helps them in their rainforest home. V is for vulture, a bird that helps clean up the environment. They play a very important role in nature's recycling system. W is for wolf, a social animal that lives in packs. They work together and communicate through howls. X is for X-ray tetra, a small fish with translucent skin. You can see right through them like magic. Y is for yak, a hairy cow-like animal from cold mountains. Their thick fur keeps them warm in the chilly mountain air. Z is for zebra, an animal with black and white stripes. Their stripes aren't just for looks, they help confuse predators.
Wow, what an amazing journey through the animal kingdom. Each animal is a unique and important part of our world.
Remember, friends, learning is always an adventure, and there's so much we can learn from the wonderful animals around us.